June 19th, 2008, and I am going to show you guys the LRT station once again. But this time I'm going to give you guys an in-depth tour of the train stations and what they do and how they work and what they look like. So yeah, stay tuned for more train station goodness. Peace, peace, time. Later. Sup tubies, me again here. I'm in downtown here. I'm going to be giving you guys a very quick tour of the LRT station once again. So yeah, I'll be back. But yeah, my choice. That's hot. But yeah, I'll be back. Later. What's up, tubies? Me again here. Now I'm gonna make my way into the LRT train over here. So yeah. So I'm gonna be making it over here. Excuse me. Right over here on this train. So I'll be back in a minute. Stay tuned for my train action goodness. Peace, peace, and later, guys. I'm actually at the train station. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the balcony here. So show you guys how tall it is. Wow. That looks freaking hot. Holy shit. Look at that. It's freaking amazing. Okay, but that doesn't really matter about the picture. What matters is about the train. So I'll be back in a little bit. So peace, and get a Mac later. Sup tubies, we're at Churchill Station right now. I'm gonna be giving you guys a tour of the train station in Clearview. So I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the Clearview train station. Stadium Station. You guys already saw it yesterday on YouTube, the video I posted yesterday. But yeah, so I'll be back on about 5 minutes. So peace, later. Get a Mac. Peace. What's up, guys? We're over here at Stadium Station, and passing the LRT behind me. It's all good. Take a look at it. There you go. But yeah. So anyway, Stadium Station. Who knows what's gonna happen on my day adventure? I'm definitely going to be recording the fireworks on Canada Day for you guys. I'm posting it when I get home probably. If I'm not too tired, I probably won't be tired. But never know, so I might not be tired. But I'll probably be posting this when I get home, maybe on July 3rd, 2nd. So, or maybe July 1st actually, but probably not. I'll be hanging out with my girlfriend. But most likely on July 3rd. Or no, so July 2nd. But yeah, so I'll be back. I guess when I get to clean it. Stadium Station. Peace, peace, and later. What's up, guys? We're on the Stadium Station right now. The guy said we're on the station.
Thank you very much.
So yeah, I'm fucking bored. That's your joke.
Any depressing news in there? Oh god. Floods in the
killing some time.
Right.
I'm just killing some time here. But yeah. So I guess well.
I just realized it now.
I'll be back when I get a new video, or I'll be back when something exciting happens, I guess. Nothing really exciting is happening right now, but you never know what could happen. I'm babbling on, blah, 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 blah. But that's because I'm bored. I don't know. But I'll be back later on. So I guess, peace, peace,
next stop.
What's up, guys? I don't want to call Stadium Station right now. But, nothing new is going on with my life. I graduated from Olds College yesterday, thank God, in my animation class. Yesterday was my class of animation graduation party.
Coliseum Station.
I did a slideshow. I'm going to put it up on YouTube once I get a chance to put it up on YouTube. But you never know. I might put it up on YouTube later on. But yeah, I'm going to make another video for you guys of my animation skills I did. But yeah, so peace, peace.
Belvedere Station.
What's up, guys? Take a look at the view behind me. That's a nice view. But yeah, so I'm on my way to Belvedere Station right now. I wanted to ask you guys a very quick question. Do you guys have any videos of where you guys live? Post your video responses or comments down over here, please. I really appreciate that. If you don't, then whatever, it's all good. But please post your comments down over here. Down here. But yeah, so if you guys post your comments, that'd be great. Thanks for watching, and have a good night. Peace out. Later, good Mac. Peace. What's up, guys? I'm at Clearview Station right now. Check out the ETS house, and that's just freaking weird. That's messed. Oh yeah, you guys can see. Clearview Station, it's all good, I like it. But yeah, so it's about 10 or 9:30 something. But yeah, look at the cars, man, it's packed over here. But yeah, hold up a sec, I'll show you guys the cars. Okay, I'm wasting tape here. I want to get wasting tape, so I'll be back. This is it. Hold up. You guys want to be on YouTube, so. No comment. But yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, okay, I'll be back a little bit. So, peace out. Later. Good night. Peace. What's up, guys? On the train again. You guys can see, I am being pretty freaking bored. After today, I graduated from animation, art and design, whatever. Basically my animation class I graduated from. And I'm going to be taking graphic arts and design, what David takes on YouTube. But yeah, I'll be back in a little bit, so I guess, let me see. I don't know. I guess, as usual, get a Mac and think different. Peace. Sup tubies, me again here. Quick video. I am at Dakota Station on my way to my animation class. So yeah, I guess people looking at me behind me. So I guess I'll be back with another update when I feel like it. So I guess peace, Ted. Hey!
What you want, man?
Yeah, so peace, tent. Later. What's up, tubies? Me. Going on the Clearview Health Sciences train now. Yeah, so I'll be back when it comes up, I guess. I'll give you guys a tour of what it looks like, I guess. So I'll be back. Yeah. Okay. See you on the train. Peace, tent. Later.
Yeah, she had stayed back, but she originally took business.
Peace. What's up, guys? I'm in the train station again. Look at these freaking tracks, man. They're so goddamn sweet. Look at these tracks. That's hot. But yeah, okay. I'll be back, so peace. Okay, peace. Okay, peace.
That's so good. What's that? 35 bucks? Thanks.
see, here look at the I'm on a train now, as you guys can see. See? That's awesome. Okay, but yeah, I'm on a train right now, as you guys can see. So, yeah, I guess, what the, look at this tunnel. Stay tuned for more train goodness, I guess. Please be 10. Later. What's up, peeps? You know we're at the health science station right now. So, yeah. It's all good. It's all good. A couple, yeah. We do. What's up, guys? We're on a train right now again. I'm at the health sciences station. As you can see, a lot of people left right over here.
Health sciences station.
Sorry to see people on a train, but yeah, I'm leaving right now. I'll be back. Get them back. Peace. Later. What's up, y'all? We're on a train again here. I am just hanging out. Taking a picture over here, you guys can see. People taking pictures over there. But yeah, it's all good. So I'll be back. Good video. So yeah, I'm taking a picture of it. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay. Peace. What's up, guys? On our way to Government Center. So yeah, it's all good. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about myself. I'm 20. I'm going to my arts and design plus art graduation party. Awesome 8. So I'm making a video of my animation. Here's a view of the train thing right over here. Check it out, yo. Yeah, it's fucking hot. Okay, so we're back in a little bit. So yeah, I guess a lot more people are right here, you guys can see. So yeah, so thanks for watching and please be safe. I'll be back. Peace. Later. See a fucked up bathroom. Here it is. Here's a fucked up bathroom for you guys. Yeah, it's fucked. So yeah, cause that toilet right there exploded. So 50%.